This is web scraping the Yahoo Finance. There has been some changes in the Yahoo, and I'll just go through it and show you what we mean. So the first thing I'm going to do is get a fuel cell, F cell. Go to the web page, and we're going to use this F cell right here, and this is the span. It's called Fin Streamer now. That has changed, but scraping the data is still the same. So I run this and I get a 200 response. It shows that it's good. Okay, then we'll run soup and print soup. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, so we get a title. I use the R text with the beautiful soup. We use R text and the HTML parser. That seems to work pretty good. I tried the originally XML, but that didn't work. So let's go on and want to Fin Streamer for these. So in these you can see that the Fin Streamer is instead of div, it's Fin Streamer now. But you can see this FB F36, and we're going to grab the text from it. We'll go back to the Yahoo stock, and you can see it right here. So it's FW500 P850 data symbol F cell, and it gives you the whole line of code. So let me go ahead and run that. And let me print. Go ahead and print that. So there you go. Price and change. We'll go back to the Yahoo, and you can see right here the change right there is 0.31, and the price is $6.71, and the it's exactly what you get right there. And you can see right here with the Fin Streamer, the class for the change is P*824. You run back there real quick. And for change it's P*8. So anyways, go back to there it is. Anyways, so that's the let me go ahead and line all this out, but we can go further with this. And I got this anyways. Let me go back. We can go further with this and create a def. Let me undo this. Yeah. Anyways, see if we can pause this for a second. Pause. Okay, I'm back, and we we went ahead and actually got this from another YouTube video. So we made a def and used the RL, turned it into an F string, and did a request right here. So we take soup, this is the same, and we create a little dictionary. So it's symbol, price, where it used to be price equals, it's now dictionary, price, soup, text, and we'll put a comma behind each one, and we'll return it as stock. So let me go ahead and run this. So this is what we're going to get on the output. That's the upper one. The price and the change was the finding out whether we could find the price in the stock price and the change. And this is a function that will return a list of stock prices and changes. So let me scroll down here a little bit, and what we're doing here is for items in my stock, we're getting the data up here in the function, and we're appending it to a list. And you can see right down here the getting FCE, and then from there we append this. We print out the stock data, which you see down here. The symbol, F cell, price, 671 change, 31%, 0.31%. And then all this is going to get dumped into a JSON file right there. Now this program is from another YouTuber, James Watson. So I just copied it after finding out how to get the bin streamer to work. So, and it works here. And that's it. The updated version of stock scraping with YouTube. Yahoo Finance.